Wow, look at that lovely day. It's a beautiful day here in Wellington. Absolutely stunning summer day here on Thursday, the 17th of January. And hello, welcome. Welcome to another live open home, the very first for 2019, and a very happy new year to you all. I'm very, very proud today to be standing in a wonderful Kate Sheppard apartment on the 6th floor. The apartment is apartment I at 42 Molesworth Street in the Kate Sheppard Apartments, the prestigious Kate Sheppard Apartments. Now, I'm just going to give you a walk around of the apartment, but before I do so, the one thing I want to say about this apartment, it is big. We've got lots of space here, and particularly in the living area, so we'll do a walk around in here and just pan so you can see for yourself how nice and open this area is. So this is primarily the living area and dining area. And as you can see, we've got the bench around the kitchen. But also if we come over here, we'll notice we've got the dining area, and the dining area is in a nice little curved part of the corner of the building as well. So, and a lovely view out to the harbour and the railway station building. Very nice. So we'll come back now, we'll go through here and we'll show you the kitchen. Got a really nice setup here, lovely marble bench top and a breakfast bar setup. Bit of a servery ledge as well, but it's really nicely set up, double basin. Now, the one thing I love about this kitchen, which you don't see very often, is with cooking on gas. There we go. Oh, so gas is always good. It's a nice to have. There we go. Lovely. So beautifully set up, good sized pantries, lots of storage, really good joinery. Love these handles. So that's really set up very nicely for a entertainer's, I guess, kitchen and area. So it's really nice big open space. And I'll take you now through to the main bedroom. As you probably guessed, the main bedroom is sizable. Sizable. Really nice space here. Nowhere near cramped in anything. It's really good. And the other thing that I like about it, it's got a really nice walk-through wardrobe to the bathroom. Good sized wardrobe too. So I shouldn't say bathroom, this is the ensuite. It's a lovely ensuite, really nice tiled surfaces, a good setup. And access onto the second balcony. Now we're going to take you out here because there's another great view from here too. So we're looking down to Lambton Quay and around to the Beehive. So in terms of inner city Wellington views, it's a cracker. Really nice outlook. Okay, so we'll go through now and I'll show you the main bathroom from here. Main bathroom's a really good size, and what is also very important with this bathroom is it's got a bath. A lot of apartments don't have baths, and you can hear my shoes on the floor. We've got nice tiled surfaces. Got a good sized shower in here. There you go. Couldn't help it, had to clown around. Right, and laundry. Really good setup here. Neat as a pin. Right. So let's come through here now back into the living area. Now the thing about this apartment that doesn't have any hallways as such, everything's off this big living space, so that makes the use of space a lot more economical, which is fantastic. Over here behind this glassed area we have got a study, which is a really nice to have thing. Really nice to have feature, and it's a good size study. Now this floor plan is not uncommon in this building in these corner units, and I have to say that some previous owners or other owners in the building use this room as a nursery or a fourth bedroom, which is great. So you've got those options too. Now the other thing is we've got the second bedroom off the living area, and we've got, just to hold a second, through here, but we've got a double door so it opens right out if need be. And I'll just set it up like that. So in you come. Lovely, another lovely big bedroom, really good size, big wardrobes, lots of space. And the other thing I like about this bedroom is good distance from the main bedroom, so some good separation there and privacy. And here we've got bedroom number 3. Now bedroom number 3 has got access onto the balcony that we were on before, and you can probably see glimpses of the beehive from here. Lots of glass in the sun, lots of windows, really light, and again big, so good wardrobes, good sized bedroom, so there's no feeling of being cramped at all in this apartment. It's really lovely and spacious. Really lovely and spacious. Alright, so let me tell you some things about the apartment that would make you want to buy it. Alright, for the first thing is that it's on the market at buyer inquiry at just $1,245,000, so that's buyer inquiry over. And what you're getting for your money is 185 square metres of plush Kate Sheppard apartment in the middle of town, so it's right across the street from Parliament Grounds, so it's very central. So 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, an ensuite, a study. It's also got a storage locker and a nice covered secure car park. So you're getting lots for your money from that point of view. Now the property is being marketed by way of tender if not sold prior, and the tender date is set for Friday the 8th of February, so that's not too far away. So remember that time. Now another thing which is really important, which I need to tell you, is that the information on the apartment is very easy to access. Just email me or text me or phone me, and I've got a very big information pack that I can email you. It's all on Dropbox link, and so that I can send that to you pretty quickly and let you have a look at that, so you've got all the information you can research up on the apartment. Now one other thing too is the apartment has got an open home this Sunday at 1 o'clock, and because it's the first open home, we're doing it for 3/4 of an hour, so from 1 to 1:45 this Sunday we've got an open home, so you can come and see for yourself. But if you want to see it beforehand, get on the phone, give me a ring, text me on my cell phone, or message me through Facebook, and I'll be happy to set up a time for you. Now one thing that I haven't mentioned, which is really important about this apartment, is like a lot of apartments, is about the lifestyle that you get with it as well, and that really comes from the fact that it is so central. This apartment is so central, and you've got so much at your fingertips. Right around here there's so many things that you need to know about. The first one is obviously we've got views of the harbour, you've got really good close access to the waterfront. The railway station is just down the hill. Across the street is Parliament. Now that's important for a lot of people, particularly business people or government executives. You're right in the middle of that precinct itself, so there are lots of government head offices and things around here for you in terms of work options. We've got the stadium across the road, just over here. We've got a fantastic supermarket at the end of Molesworth Street as well, the New World supermarket at the end of the Thorndon New World supermarket at the end of Molesworth Street, and we've got also access to the motorway too, to whizzle off up north or out to the airport. And the other thing too, which is really important, you're right at the foot of Lambton Quay, so in terms of shopping and going out at night and all those sort of activities, they're all here. And I mentioned to you before the waterfront, which is really important because on a lovely night you can walk along there and go to so many things there as well. So a brilliant central location, and with it a wonderful Wellington inner city lifestyle. So there you have it from me. I'm so pleased to be able to be back on here and to give you another one of our broadcasts. There'll be a lot more coming this year. It's going to be a busy year for apartment selling, so stay tuned. And I'm very, very thrilled to be here again. So that's me for it. That's John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very, very much.